In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your G2A promo code in 2024. You can simply get the G2A discount code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. If you're using an iPhone, open up your Safari. On the search bar, type in G2A promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 15% off any purchase on G2A. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to G2A. Before leaving this page, make sure you enter your email right here to get the latest G2A coupons every month. Go to the G2A website and make sure you paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your discount code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get your G2A promo code every month in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.